This person asks, what happens if you would try to cook something? So we're going to start to do cooking videos. I've never had him out in the kitchen while we're cooking, but I'm going to have to teach him because he's going to be out. It's going to be funny cooking videos because obviously the parts where he's grabbing the food when he's not supposed to, and I'm, chopping up ingredients and he's stealing ingredients. So that would be like very funny. But when it comes to cutting on the stove and all this, we're going to have to cut it on low heat at first and let him slowly understand like it's danger. And so it's going to be like basically we have to teach him about safety. He very intelligent. So me and him will have to, that'd be a cool video series actually. Teaching the monkey safety in the kitchen, like teaching him like, stove gets hot, he knows what a fire pit is because the only time he's been around cooking is we was out at a campfire and we was cooking trout and he jumped into the fire. He literally jumped into the fire for like a second. He learned real quick, but he jumped into the fire. He was fine. His hair was singed a little bit, but he jumped into the fire. So the kitchen, we're going to have to, teach him things get hot, right? You're going to learn things get hot? Yes. Yeah, he jumped in the campfire to steal the trout. Like I'm cooking the trout. He just jumps in to grab it. And he did like the Super Mario. If you ever play Super Mario 64, Super Mario's like, ho. Anyway, yeah, we got a lot of things to do when it comes to cooking. Look at this.